So today we have the special opportunity to also test the BMW M4 competition. The car we're sitting in is a track-focused car with also the track pack, and we will do the acceleration run using the Racebox Pro, see how fast it goes to 100 using the launch control, and also later on 0 to 200 and 100 to 200. Really anxious to see the time, and we have put everything like in the M3 in the most sporty setting, so Sport Plus with the engine and braking as well. And of course you have to put the traction control into the, let's say, off mode in order to engage the launch control to get the perfect shifting and the perfect traction control for the rear wheels. So let's head off and see. I'm very excited how fast it goes. So the first run was already pretty good. We had a 4.0 on the Racebox to 100, and I think we had a 7.9 100 to 200. I think those are pretty amazing numbers. I mean, definitely the car feels super quick. Honestly, I did not expect that the car is so much faster than the M4 competition that we had. But let's do a second try and see how reliable that number really is. So also the second run was about the same number, so very reliable, even that we have driven this car on the track. Maybe with the cooler engine the time would be even better, because we have been hammering around the track here a lot. We have a 7.9 seconds 100 to 200 and about a 4.0 with about, of course, 0% slope on this airfield here to 100. Amazing opportunity. Thank you BMW M for not only letting me drive this car on the track but also do this special test. And yeah, really looking forward to share you also the other footage that we have of this car on Instagram and Facebook and on TikTok.